Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to add a picture password to sign into your Windows PC. A picture password is a more convenient way to sign in when using a tablet or laptop with a touchscreen. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open the Settings app. Click on Accounts. Then select the Sign In Options page. Under the picture password setting, click the Add button. Verify your account by entering your password, and click the OK button. Then click the Choose Picture button. Select a picture you want to use as a password on your PC. Drag the image to the position you want, and click the Use this picture button. Set up your gestures to use a password 3 times. You must draw 3 gestures on a picture, including taps, straight lines, and circles. After doing this, click the Finish button. Once you complete the steps, the next time you sign in, you will be presented with the picture password experience, and then you will have to replay the gesture with touch, or by using the mouse to log in. If you don't remember the gestures, click on Sign In Options from the left pane to use your PIN or a password to sign into Windows 11. To remove your picture password, follow the same steps, but instead of clicking on the Add button of the picture password, click the Remove button, and you are good to go. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.